Welcome, tubers, on this episode of Johnson's Garage. Hey, look, a plane.
So it's summertime here in Vernonia. We just got done eating some foods.
Some grillings.
And been drinking.
So we haven't taken this guy apart yet.
Yeah, there's a problem with this thing. So you got that out.
Yeah.
Now you got the Christmas trees holding in. Oh, and you're gonna want to get this out of here.
Yeah, but I gotta need a pair of pliers because that guy. Oh, you know what? That did not want to come out for me, and you're just like.
Yeah. So what we're going to do here is that window kind of does the old roll down while you're driving routine, and he actually has a repair kit. Yeah, he's got a repair kit here for it. So we're gonna put that on here in a minute. So he's gonna try and pop that door free, and then once we do that, we're gonna figure out how we can get that window motor out of there.
Oh, I forgot. Man, it's been a while since I've had to do this for a
and then after you get that to spin, then we just shear the rest of it off with a chisel.
So get it as center as you can, push it in as far as you can, and then it bucks off on you.
Yeah. All right, back again. We got a motor, and I'm missing. I need a screwdriver. Will this fit? Oh yeah, look at that. Just crustified. So we have some 5/16 nuts. That's the size you want it. 5/16 nuts to put in here. There you go. Same old story. We're actually going to do 5/16 nuts on the front driver's side window motor.
Oh, here it is. Yay!
Oh good, he found it.
It was clear. It was really hard to see. Just clearly now that I fucked. Oh, shit. I wanted a big one. That's why these are a terrible idea.
Like, it's planned obsolescence.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm so excited that one is going to be up. No, bad.
So Adam's going to plug it in and just verify that it works.
Yeah, so we can put it all together and then just cry afterwards.
Yeah, I've had that happen before. Oh, don't do that. That has to be physically mounted to the door first. Just plug it into the thing and make sure it
No,
runs.
not necessarily. It just has to be mounted to this.
I know it'll spin around.
I know, that's why I'll just be like, put it in there and then I'll hold it together while it spins. You'll be fine.
Put a screw in though. Oh, wrong window. You got it plugged in?
Yeah. Right into the door?
Hey.
Well, it's easy ground.
Well, it doesn't help that that cable's in a bind. We didn't plug the thing in. I don't think it matters. Otherwise, it'd be keyed. Ah!
Oh my god, it works!
It works! Look at that, Adam! It works!
Hey, good Ubu!
We got 27 minutes left. Alright, we got the the back window fixed. We're on to the backaroonie here. He's getting all of this broken off nonsense. So we realized we didn't make an ending to this video, so Adam's going to demonstrate what we did in this video, in this like 4-minute video.
Really? 4 minutes?
It's a short Wednesday wild card video. How about that?
Show you wild card.
And I'll give him a little teaser on that. Well, they're done, but they're not. They'll have to wait till the next video.
It's like, thanks for joining us, tubes. Won't you being our neighbors? They function like they're supposed to. The auto window actually works.
Nice!
And it doesn't bitch and moan. I'm not like, why did I open this?
Anyway, Subs, that's going to be it for this video. It's just a short little wild card Wednesday sort of video. So, we'll catch you later, Tubes. Say bye, Adam.
Till next time. Stay tuned. Damn.